Je veux être bien clair.
It's an ultimatum from the Premier. Negotiate a deal or Quebec will table special legislation to put an end to pressure tactics and adopt Bill 106, which ties 15% of doctors' salaries to their performance.
On souhaite toujours, d'ici demain matin, qu'il y ait des avancées significatives dans les négociations. On souhaite toujours une entente négociée.
The Premier says he hopes to make progress before Friday. The government says it's about helping patients.
It's normal when we make those type of changes that we have resistance. Again, what's the goal? Make the life of patient better.
In response to Quebec's latest move, the Federation of Family Doctors said it agrees to suspend its teaching boycott. In a statement, the FMOQ said it reiterates its willingness to continue intensive negotiations with the Quebec government with the aim of reaching a fair and sustainable agreement that benefits both patients and family physicians. The FMSQ, which represents medical specialists, called the last few months of negotiations a masquerade. The government never intended to listen or truly negotiate, the Federation says.
It's very, very important that we change things. There is urgency. Urgency for the patients, but urgency also for the students.
There are concerns that this will lead to an exodus of doctors.
They're lacking motivation and they're being despised by the government and somewhat by the public. They can flee to other provinces or the private sector.
The Liberals worry about the long-term impacts of this negotiation.
A negotiated deal is way better than a special law. This is going to be costing Quebecers for years to come.
Quebec Solidaire says the CAQ is using this as a distraction.
Francois Legault and Christian Dubé, they have decided to fight against the doctors, and it's not going any good to the population of Quebec. That's only politics.
The Premier insists this is what's best for those trying to access health care, adding if there is a special law, it will include measures to prevent doctors from leaving the public sector. Matt Grillo, CTV News, Quebec City.